Got this cool old clock. Yeah. It's orange. It's probably from the 70's. The Westcloxs electric. Made in the USA. Don't see that anymore, do you? Got this pendulum thing down there. I like the design of it. See if we're gonna get it down off here. Paid $2 for it actually. It's a West mount pendulum. S398 Westcloxs, made in USA. 115 volts, 60 hertz, 2.5 watts. Yeah. See if I can find the nail. But yeah, we got a new clock. It's pretty cool. Replaced this other one that's over here. This little one here. Brown one. I don't know who makes it, but it's made in USA too. Spartus. That's what it replaced. I'll probably find a better spot for this one. But for now, this one is taking its spot. And I like it. So, I hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching.